Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And so this month, what is the assessment of the different updates for security of Microsoft products? And also, where do we stand in those critical flaws? 4 of them are critical, means extremely easy to exploit. Now, one of the first things is that Microsoft released a total of 90 security updates for all of its products. So this means that Office and .NET and all of that are included in there for a total of 90 security updates for August of 2024. And of course, we talked about it. The Windows 10 has 54 vulnerabilities, 4 critical, 49 important, 1 moderate. And Windows 11, 22H2, 23H2, 55 vulnerabilities, 4 critical, 50 important, 1 moderate. What are the 4 critical ones, and are they exploited in the wild? So I went to see the different security bulletins to see what it was all about. So the first one is Grub 2, that has a heap-based out-of-bounds right when rendering certain Unicode sequences. This is a critical flaw, but it is not exploited in the wild. It is, say, in the bulletin. Another one, shim, remote code execution and HTTP boot support may lead to secure boot bypass. So that also is not exploited in the wild according to Microsoft and the latest information they have. Windows reliable multicast transport driver RMcast as a remote code execution vulnerability, not exploited in the wild, not disclosed. And the last one is the Windows TCP/IP remote code execution vulnerability, and that is also not disclosed, and so not exploited in the wild. So the 4 critical ones are extremely important to fix in Windows, but they're not. Nobody knew about them before the fixes today, from what it seems here, except those that have talked about it. And the updates today for security will affect something about the boot sequence that is important to know if you are dual booting with a Linux distro. The fix that it does today might prevent your Linux distro from booting up after they are applied because of the change. And this is due to the security fix that they had to do. So that prevented a lot of things. That would have prevented, anything that is out of the ordinary to probably work well because of the change that they had to implement. So if you are dual booting with Linux, there's a high possibility that it might not boot again. You might need to fix the boot of your distro by either having something more recent or just reinstalling. So it'll depend on your situation here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.